So Hope,
Yeah?
I got you a present for another one of our units
Wow.
because I think it's going to be a hard time doing a science or hands-on things. So here's what I got you.
What is it?
You got to open it to find out, silly.
Okay. What? A gem kit? Where you can find all these gems? You can collect all these gems.
Here, why don't you show it the right way?
Even real gold?
Look at the camera. Yeah, it's a 1 in 24 of these has actual real gold,
Wow.
but the others have other stuff. So when we take it apart, I haven't done one of these yet, but it looks like we got little picks and we'll act like geologists.
Wow.
That'll be something we do for school next week.
Cool.
This is not real gold. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Okay. Are you excited about school next week?
Yeah.
Let's do it.